Have you ever wanted to blur somebody's face in a picture? If the answer is yes, then there's a piece of software called Touch Blur that can do just that. What you're going to want to do is drag the image over, and on the right hand side choose the brush size. If you're covering a large area, it's better you use a bigger brush. You want to choose the brush hardness and the blur effect strength. I would put it as high as possible if you're really trying to blur somebody's face. Now you just draw over the area you wish to blur, and it's all done. To save the image, click the arrow, save it as whatever you wish, and save it to wherever you like. And you can also choose which format you wish to save it in. We shall just save it in PNG, and then click on save. And here is the finished result. I would like to give a shout out to Glenn Han for using his image in this tutorial. If you're looking for royalty free images, I suggest you go over to Unsplash and have a perusal. Thank you for watching the video.